you get to help me put all of my clothes in the closet. And by me, I mean we, because Olivia is gonna help me. Okay, here's what I have envisioned. Stop it. Oh my gosh. Literally, don't even get me started. Don't even let Dad see that. He's gonna.
Dad be mad at me that I found.
No, it's just the most annoying thing in the world. But basically, it snowed inside our house for a year, and I kept saying, "Is it a problem? Is it gonna affect anything?" And Joel's like, "No, it's not gonna affect anything." Sounds like a friggin'. I hate it. Okay, anyway, what I envisioned before I was rudely infuriated was this side is going to be winter or summer. This side is going to be winter or summer. What does my heart feel? Which side do I feel is going to be my winter and my summer? I feel like when you walk in, this is the one you see first, and summer is so much more fun to see than winter. So, okay, it's official. Summer, winter. Okay, well, here's the game plan. It's pretty overwhelming to look at this and like, where do you even start, right? Well, we also have this. So,
It's this dress. Wait, I've never seen that.
honey, don't even get started. It's actually very, very old.
Oh, it's really long.
Well, it's not, okay, put that down.
This is my favorite video.
I think we need to grab one item at a time. It doesn't matter, like, it's all thrown in together anyway. So literally one item at a time, bring it to me. One item at a time, bring it to me, and I'll put it where it goes. And then we'll adjust from there if I decide to move things. Okay, break. Exactly the way I want it, but I also kind of just want to get things all the way put away before I start. I don't know. I have a few pair of shoes that I don't really wear, but that I don't really want to get rid of, and so I put them on the bottom of Joel's closet, and that worked out just fine. So over here on this side of Joel's closet, we kind of had the idea to put tall hanging shelves right here and put all of my dresses here because I have quite a few dresses. And I thought, oh, maybe we could put another shoe rack right here to put all my shoes that go with the dresses. And then I got thinking, if I do not have enough room for all of my shoes, that means I need to get rid of pairs that I don't wear, which is painful and stupid. I don't know why. I do this all the time. I'll save an article of clothing or a pair of shoes for so long because I love them. I don't wear them, and then they really go out of style, and then I would never wear them even though I still love them. So I'm gonna try not to do that. If I get rid of a pair of shoes, great. And then if I get a new pair of shoes, I have to replace it. If I have more shoes than what's here, I have too many shoes. I'm telling myself that. I'm not gonna lie, I have a lot of mixed feelings putting all of my clothes into the closet. I feel there's so many articles of clothing that hold so many memories, and some of them I still love the pieces, but I just have to toss them because of what memories they're attached to. And it just is a really crappy feeling. So I want to feel happy and fun putting them away, making things look really pretty. It's like I've been dreaming of a closet to hold all of my clothes for so long. And then another part of me is all of these clothes that I got. So many of them are from brands that I've worked with, which is incredible. And I'm so grateful for that. And it was so fun. And a lot of these clothes I was either given or I bought for events that I went to. And it just feels like a different life. It just feels like it's just a different lifetime ago. And so I feel a little sadness, you know. I don't do events anymore. I don't really go to those kind of things, and it's just different. I'm in a complete different stage of life, and that has a lot of feelings tied to it. And then also, for the first time in my life, I was able to maintain a weight and like a weight range. And so all of my clothes are one size. For the first time in many, many, many years, I'm at a different weight now. And so none of my clothes fit. So I have an entire wardrobe full of clothes that don't fit. And I'm telling you, the way that I used to feel trying to get into pants that were way too small for me, or like clothes that were too small for me, just that really crappy feeling of not feeling good in your clothes or comfortable in your clothes. I've never been on the other spectrum of it. So when I put my clothes on and they don't fit, they're loose, and I don't fill them out nicely anymore, it feels the exact same. It feels the exact same to me. But seeing all my clothes that I loved and I wore and I felt confident in them, I don't feel that way anymore. And like, I have an entire closet full of clothes and I have all these negative feelings. And in my mind, I know it's not because I'm not grateful. Like, I know that I've worked really hard to get the closet that I've always wanted. And it just really stinks that I am not enjoying it. And as I say that, I'm like, well, how are people going to twist that and make me look like an idiot or, you know, whatever. And I just can't even think about that because this is how I'm feeling. This is how I'm feeling, and I'm just telling you. And I don't feel this way the whole time. I've really enjoyed aspects of putting my clothes together. Do you want to know my favorite part of putting the closet together? Is that I've had Olivia by my side the whole time, and she has been so fun to work with. She will bring me, I'll say from the other rooms, I'll say, do your best to like bring me all the winter stuff. So she's bringing me all the winter stuff. And then she'll just sit on the floor and watch me. And we've got music going, or we have like a documentary in the background going, or, but just having Olivia by my side has been the most fun part of this whole thing. Like, it's not about the clothes. It's not about the things. And that is just the running. I'll say that over and over and over again. And that's how it's always been for me. This closet is beautiful. The clothes are fun. I couldn't care less about them. That's just not what makes you happy. Obviously. Anyway, mid-organization thoughts. I took quite the breather from doing my closet, but it is now officially finished so that I can show you all my stuff put away in the closet. I even recruited Joel to help me get my mirror put in here, and I'm very, very happy to just have this project completed and finished. You can see I have all of my sweaters hung up right here, and I actually love that they're hung. I love that they're hung so I can see exactly what I have. And then any sweat sets, like sweats, because basically this is what I live in right here. And if by chance I leave my house, I'll put something else on. But this right here, those are the workhorses. Those are the workhorses right there. And then if I'm getting real fancy, I'll wear the, you know, the workout leggings. That's the upgrade if I'm staying home. Then I have my jeans right here, which there's literally one pair that I like from here. One or two. that I like from here. All the rest of them I hate and just want to throw away, but I'm not going to until I replace them. So I've got my jeans right here, and then these are kind of my nicer sweaters. And then let's see. Oh, this is it's kind of funny. I have them next to each other. Very rarely used tops, but they're just there. They're pretty. And then these are my short sleeve sweaters. So I've got a handful of those. All my travel hoodies. Let's see. I do have bodysuits. So all my bodysuits are in this drawer. I've got my dress pants in here, which I'm not sure if I love them in there because when they're in the drawer, I don't see them. So I forget they're in there all the time. And these end drawers are empty, which I think is phenomenal. So I've got some empty drawer space, and then I've got all of my jackets right here, jackets and vests. I have some winter accessories up here, hats and that kind of stuff, scarves. I have a fraction of my like holiday dresses. Anyway, I need to figure out the whole dress situation. I've got jumpsuits right here. But all in all, that's majority of my winter stuff. So I feel really good about that. I don't need it yet, so we don't even have to worry about this side of the closet. I have a few drawers that I'm not even using, which I think is great. I'm glad that I don't have every spot filled because that means there would be no room to grow. If I bring anything into this closet, I'm taking something out. I'm not going to keep everything anymore. So, you know, we've got, oh, I haven't shown you. Did I show you? I don't think I did. So I've got the, all my jewelry in these drawers, and I like that this tray comes, oh, I didn't want to tip it, but I'm doing it one-handed. So that tray comes out, and then I have, you know, stuff in there. And then same in this drawer. So I'll just show you because that's like what's fun to look at. And I haven't worn most of these earrings in so long. So it's kind of fun to lay them out and look at them. And anyway, that's kind of fun. If you guys remember the Christmas that Joel gave this to me, that was such a fun Christmas Eve. If you haven't seen it or you want to rewatch it, because I know that that was a fan favorite video, I'll put that vlog in the description. I think my mom went to San Diego when she got this. Maybe that was a different trip, but this is an old perfume, blown glass perfume bottle. I was showing Lincoln how you do it. Can you even buy loose perfume to go in there, and would it just evaporate? I don't really know, but it's pretty. So, oh, the mirror. Okay, if you don't know, my favorite bird, my favorite little, I don't know, is it my favorite animal? I don't know, but my favorite bird is a hummingbird. And so when I saw this mirror, oh, it was love at first sight. Look at those cute hummingbirds. So I love the mirror. Oh, I love the mirror. I'll put a link in the description. It comes in lots of different sizes. They have a mantle-sized mirror that I also have, and I'll show you that later. But when I was really young, I got this jewelry box. My kids have been loving going through my jewelry box. My grandma's candy dish that she got me when I was really little. She got all the granddaughters. She got the granddaughters this candy dish, and I love this thing. I've had it on my dresser for years and years. My mom got me this old Fenton lamp. We're big fans of Fenton. If you get on eBay and search up Fenton, you'll be able to see the kind of style. But I love that lamp. You would think that I would have maybe a better way of displaying my hats, and I'm sure I'll come up with something, but for now I've just got my hats up there, and I have a bunch more hats that I'm just not sure how or where to put up here. But what I do have is my summertime jackets, and then overalls and short sleeve jumpsuits, and then dresses. So I've got all those in, and then I hung up all my shirts, and then my like t-shirts. These are the more maybe plain t-shirts, and then these are all of my graphic tees and stuff. I've got my pants hung, my summerish pants hung right there. I have like capri length, crop length there. I've got my shorts under here, and these are all empty. So I think what I'm gonna do is go through and put my swimsuits, like swimsuit type stuff in those drawers, I think. But for now, they're still just sitting in a box. I haven't got those really out. And then these are also my matching sets, but like my summer matching sets. And then like yoga type shorts and yoga type shirts. So, and then these shoes here. So yeah, I still kind of can't believe my emotions putting the closet together, because when I look at it, I'm so excited and I'm so happy that I have everything finally put back. Like, this feels so good to have everything put away and in its place. Yeah, I can't like put my finger on it, but I'm glad that it's done. I'm glad that it's in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.